Holy fudge!
Whoa, that knocked that over.
Let me see what's going on out here.
It's just rain and strong winds.
That's a tornado right there, Peyton.
No, it's not. That's just strong winds. That's the rain from it.
Peyton, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 10,000% sure. There's no funnel or anything.
Hey, we're getting super strong winds back here.
It just flipped over to the north because that's the cold front coming through.
I mean, do you see anything on your radar or anything?
Wow, that was awesome.
I mean, I swear to God, I saw a tornado in our backyard.
That was just it was strong winds. I saw, we're not even in a watch or a warning.
Well, he keeps saying we're not even in a watch or a warning, but you look out our back, I swear to God, we probably had, how many miles an hour do you think that was just now? 80?
70,
70?
60-ish.
It's blowing up all that dirt, and it's in a really wide...
Well, the wind just switched to the north just now because the tree's blowing the other way.
I'm gonna look up.
Hey, Sophie, can you turn that light off?
Yeah. Well, it's right in our backyard.
It was.
Because, you know, I can see everything clearly, and now we've got a looming cloud above us. And I'm trying to turn it on KKRD, and there's nothing on there either.
Oh, man, I was just out. Sophie, turn this
I
off.
was outside, and I said, get your butt in here. He's out there taking pictures. It's like a tornado wind out there. Now stay there. Now don't take a chance. I knew we were supposed to. Yeah, I've got on KFTI and I've got on
Wow.
3 and I don't see a thing. But man, came out of nowhere.
That was cool, though.
I was out there taking pictures and I'm like, get
I was getting a video, then the winds picked up, and then all of a sudden...
Oh, I couldn't believe what I was seeing out the backyard. We couldn't see. It was so.
I got it all on video.
All the dust swept up. You should see these looming clouds back here, Kurt. It's crazy. Huh, are you there? Can you hear?